As you can see, we're getting into the shear work, and I'm just cutting a very nice blunt bob, starting long first. You don't want to go in too short because you might not know kind of like how you want this to turn out. I knew for a fact I wanted it to be short, but I didn't know how short I wanted it. I wanted to commit to the length once I took the elastic band off. So as I see it now, I do know that I wanted it to be a little bit shorter than this, but for the sake of the video, I just went ahead and started playing around with my hairline, just using my hot comb to break everything back so everything can be laid down. And I didn't have to remove any extra hair off of this wig, so that is a plus. Okay, so now we're going to get into cutting the rest of the hair, but I kind of like chopped that part out of the video because I didn't want you guys to be tortured with watching me cut the rest of this hair. But I used my Baby Bliss flat iron to smooth everything out, you guys. And when I say this flat iron is a dream, it just makes your hair look so good. Okay, like especially on yucky hair, I love using this flat iron because one is the biggest one that the Baby Bliss collection has, and it just makes my life so much easier while I'm doing my hair. And as you can see, my little flyaways are coming through, so we're going to get that under control in a second, but I'm still pressing this bad boy out so it can be very seamless and blunt. Do y'all see that cut though? I did that.